Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best buying decisions without breaking your brain or your bank. Today, we're throwing down in the ultimate robot vacuum showdown between the Roomba Q7 Max Plus and the Eufy X8 Pro. Get ready, because things are about to get squeaky clean. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is like that fancy steak dinner you treat yourself to once in a while. Pricey, but oh so good. Meanwhile, the Eufy X8 Pro is more like your favorite burger joint, delicious and way easier on the wallet. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Eufy X8 Pro wins this round. But hey, sometimes you gotta spend a little extra for that fine dining experience, am I right? Next, let's dive into suction power. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus boasts a whopping 4,200 pascals suction. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Goodbye, pet hair. On the other hand, the Eufy X8 Pro isn't slacking with its 2x4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. It's like having two mini tornadoes. Double the trouble for all that dirt and debris. In this category, both are pretty powerful, but the Roomba Q7 Max Plus edges out slightly with that extra suction oomph. Let's talk about hands-free cleaning. Roomba promises 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning with its auto-empty dock Pure. That's almost 2 months of forgetting you even own a vacuum. Just don't forget you own a floor. The Eufy X8 Pro offers 45 days, which is still a solid month and a half. But in the battle of who can be lazier for longer, Roomba takes the cake. Now, navigation. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to create super accurate maps of your home. It's like having a tiny, obsessive-compulsive cartographer living in your robot. Eufy's not far behind with its iPath laser navigation. It also creates precise maps and avoids obstacles. Both are pretty smart, but Roomba's LiDAR gives it a slight edge in the nerdy tech department. Brush systems. Roomba's all-rubber brush is designed to resist hair tangles. So if you're tired of wrestling with your vacuum after it eats your dog's fur, Roomba's got your back. Eufy's roller brush has a pro detangle comb that automatically removes hair. It's like having a built-in hairdresser for your vacuum. Fancy? Both are great, but if you've got long hair or pets, Roomba's got a slight edge with that all-rubber brush. Summing up the reviews, users appreciate the Roomba Q7 Max Plus for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and convenient hands-free cleaning, though it's on the pricier side. On the other hand, reviewers commend the Eufy X8 Pro for its reliability, great suction power, and affordability, even if it has some occasional battery issues. So who's the winner? If you're all about that high-end life and want the absolute best, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus is your pick. But if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, the Eufy X8 Pro is your new best friend. Either way, you're getting a clean home and more time to binge-watch your favorite shows. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy smart shopping!